Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to use Santee Cooper's new Storm Center. It's an outage reporting and tracking system that we have attached to our website. There's a couple of ways you can get there. From the main page, you can click on Power Outages and Storms, or up in the URL line, you can type in santeecooper.com/stormcenter. Now currently there aren't any storms in the area and no outages to report, so we're going to take you to a demonstration environment where we've got a few test outages loaded so we can show you how everything works. Now as you go here, you'll see the map. You can see in blue that Santee Cooper's boundaries of our service territory, and you can see there are some outages indicated on the map. Over here you can see in the legend area that the larger outages affecting more customers are shown by larger red triangles, and then the smallest outages are small green triangles. Multiple outages in a small area are indicated by a group of 3 triangles. You can also click here and it allows you to shade in the service territory, better locate whether or not you are a Santee Cooper customer in here, because there are some other utilities that have service territory that are located adjacent to or within our service territory. You can also go to different locations on the map. You can enter, let's say, your zip code. I'm going to enter the zip code for Moncks Corner. And then it zooms into the Moncks Corner area. If you want to zoom back out to the overview map, you can click here. You can also navigate that by using the zoom in and zoom out buttons up here, and there's a slider that allows you to there it is. There's a slider that allows you to zoom in and out as well. You can also look at areas by the city name or the community name. So here you could go in and let's say Bucksport. And then it allows you to zoom into the Bucksport area. Let's zoom out and go and look at some of these outages. You can roll over these outages and it gives you the option to zoom in to see those multiple outages. Let's do that here. We've got 3 outages here, 29 customers affected. Let's zoom in. Now as the map redraws, you can see that it'll change if you zoom in some more. Hold on. It shows you the individual outage locations. Here these are much smaller outages, but if you look at them in the aggregate on the large map, they overlap. So here we've got the number of customers affected. We've got the time the outage was reported and began, and then where we are. In terms of our restoration, it says assessing condition. Again, this is a demo mode. It also allows you to, on all of these overlays, to go in and click to report an outage or to find out if your particular address is affected by an outage. Let's take a look at this large outage here. You can see that it reports that there are 1,203 customers affected, the time that it began. And if we zoom in here, you can see that there is a shaded area around the outage that indicates where the power has been disrupted. And you can continue to zoom in until you start to see street names and stuff. Allows you to better see if the outage is affecting an area that you're interested in. Now there are also a couple of ways on this system that you can report an outage. Here you can click here to report an outage. It'll give you some useful information about being safe around down power lines. It also steps you through a few things to make sure that the outage is indeed a systemic outage and not just a problem in your house. And you can have 2 different options here. One is to check status to see what the status may be at a particular address, or you can report a problem. So that's the way you can report a power outage. Up here at the top, you can also see in the menu, the navigation menu, you can see where you can report an outage or check outage status here as well. You can also, it gives you the option of going in and making a favorite. Let's say that you wanted to go and, wait a second. So when you choose Bucksport, we'll zoom in there. And you wanted to make that a favorite and call that My Home and add that. And it'll give you that it's added that favorite for you. So the next time you come back, you'll just have to go in and select the My Home. I have a Bono Beach favorite in here as well. The other way you can look at outages is by a summary. Here we have a summary of outages by area. This gives you an idea of what all may be out. In a major storm situation, this may be useful just to see where the major path of the storm was, whatever your interest is in the outages. But it allows you to better track the conditions as they're being updated as condition changes. You get to see the whole area and what the sum total of the issues are out there. I hope you find this tool useful. I hope you don't have to use it much, but it is something we put in there, a better way to serve you. Thanks and have a great day.